Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be timeless. Twin Flame Soulmates Connections. Follow me on Instagram. You can find the links in the description box below. Okay, let's start. I kind of get this vibe of like this, whoever this crow is, C-R-O-W, the crow is taking the U-turn, because I saw kind of like their flight, and the flight is all about when they took the turn. So I saw their wings, the feathers, okay? The crow who is taking the U-turn, whoever this crow is. Certain situation is taking a turn, the turn in your life. Okay, I don't know. What is this in the center? Just give me a second. I don't know what is this. Something that they are showing to me. What are you showing to me? What is that you want from me? Maybe I love you. I love you. Oh my god, what am I saying? Song, baby. Give us the energy, please, for Aquarians. I'm having this energy of like you people are not feeling well emotionally, or something that is troubling you, something that is making you more emotional these days. Basically, tears roll by, like it is that kind of energy. You know, we are going through some phases, but is it something that is making your tears roll down every now and then? Like in a day, you are going to have those tears like 2 to 3 times. All I can say is please take care. Please stay strong. Okay. So what I was telling you, this crow. Are you waiting for this crow? Or they are coming towards you, the one you're waiting for. This person, this crow, they know that how important you are to them, or they are to you. You people are possible at a distance. If that is the case, then this crow is taking the flight. Now flight, any transport, doesn't matter, but there's a move. For some, because I saw the crow, so this may be flight. Someone is in deep thoughts. What might be going with you? There may be a very heavy energy of Leo for some of you around you. Not necessary, but this may be. Let's see. Aquarius. What is coming for Aquarians? They're not giving me the flips. They are not giving me the flips. Oh. Okay. I was about to say the answer will come. You have sighs. So the waiting is with a sigh. Someone is waiting, you are waiting. How it fits you, just apply that, okay? But this crow is definitely taking that turn, and they are in a hurry possible. So there's going to be quick message coming your way. You're going to read it. Look, this lady is holding something. Picture, also there's a rose. That's why the sigh. Someone is in a hurry, they have to leave and the wait is on. I see like that kind of energy when both of you miss one another. Someone misses you, waiting for the time to come, and the sigh is all about, okay, fine. Someone might be in services, any kind of work where they need to be there, of course. Aquarius. Aquarius. For some cases, there's going to be forgiving and learning. But we'll see the flip. Aquarius, 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 Aquarius. They're not giving me the cards, souls and spirits. Oh, whenever I take their names. Romantic feelings. Someone is missing you very much. Okay? They have love for you. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Both of your feelings. Both of you are looking at one another. The one waiting, and if you're not aware, they are waiting. If you're not aware, they are inside. Okay? It's a feeling of like, if you have the sigh every now and then, it is okay. It's like, it makes you feel good, your heart beats good, and you feel relaxed. So romantic feelings, definitely you people have that. The center position. Like I used to take out the cards for universal bridge reading and on my channel, okay? So that was like this. The center, universal bridge. What is the universal bridge for you? The love that you hold for one another, the way you look at one another, the one who looks at you, not stare, they look at you, they admire you, okay? Souls and spirits, can you give us the card? Souls and spirits. So they are saying that you deserve love, you are lovable, and I feel like someone looks at you like this because you're focused, because you deserve, because you respect yourself in one go, okay? The most important thing is you people are in separation. So separation for the distance, because of the distance, or some of you are taking time to realize some things, like it is sometimes confusions and some things that we keep to ourselves, kind of like deception, but it's like not accepting something which is there, and then when you realize it, then you rush back, okay? They are focused on you. Stay optimistic about your love life, okay? No, I don't have that calling. Someone is attracted to you. There is attraction. Okay, getting to know each other. So as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. It's going ahead. Something that you deserve, something that is there, you people are going to know one another. Someone might be in services. If not, this is again some kind of work where they have to invest in a lot and they have to stay away. Possible they are on cruise, they might be in something connected with that stuff, like where they have to stay away, like, you know. They are coming because I said so. Because I said so. You know, they are missing you, and I have this energy of like why we saw the crow taking flight, like why I saw them so fast. They can't stay away. Someone who doesn't want to stay away, but they have a lot of work. They want to, I'm hearing the word appeal also. Maybe they're doing somewhere, or they want to appeal to you to wait for them. Do not move on. Don't end things, okay? Don't feel that it's over. They don't want you to feel this energy. Don't get tired of waiting for me. I am going to be back. This crow is tired because they have to fly. They might be pilot also, like, you know, in flight, pilot, captain, something like that. They have to say something to you. They really have. So they might take the day off or some days off possible in this time frame. applying, appealing something, and they may come to you in order to tell you what they feel for you. And there's a missing aspect, of course, and pretending it's nothing is also wrong for both of you. So there's an offering coming. Something is renewing, or something is coming which is again, it was always there. You've been friends possible with this person, okay? They're tired of waiting also. They want to do something ahead. Look, Five of Pentacles reverse. So whatever you people lost, like kind of like the time and all, it is coming in the picture again. Something will be changed, or the change in your pentacles you're going to see. Something that you lost, you're going to be getting it back. Five of Pentacles reverse is also someone who disappointed you, may offer you something back again. There's a pickup energy for some cases if you want to, because they want to secure something. And look, this may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or some emotional situation with the person. Now how you want to take this further, that's all on you. But I feel they are missing, they know, they are regretting that they missed this opportunity. So this may be this person. This person might have been in the conflict themselves for quite a long time. Can you show me who is this crow? Look, who is this crow? I just asked who is this crow. So this is the messenger, this is the arrival, this is rider. It doesn't matter horse, but you got the horse as well. Someone who is coming, may it be any source. This is Knight of Cups again, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, an apology coming, an appeal coming. And this is someone who is going to offer something. What you want to do with this, it depends. Look, someone is in rush. They want possible assurance, so they just want to be back with you. They want to know what you are doing. They're very curious or excited about you. There may be someone new approach here possible, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius possible. They have a lot of passion to show you and tell you. There may be choice again as well in the midst of two. Okay? There's going to be some unexpected changes in your life, connected with relationships or work. Unexpected greeting, unexpected invitation, unexpected arrival, unexpected gesture, like someone will express you something and you won't believe it, of course. Maybe this is from a place where it was like all something that came down, like an illegal building that should fall, that should come down, because it's illegal, of course. It should be legal. So you need to just breathe. That was the bottom card. Please give us from the souls and spirits. Can you give us the energy, please? Please give us souls and spirits. For Aquarius. Seek the truth. From the cold store you're walking. So whatever is in the midst, okay? Whatever the shield is, you're going to remove it. The curtains you're going to remove. You're going to walk through. There's going to be clearance coming of the situation. It is also in the midst of two energies or duality of the situation. So seeking the truth is so important. It is about the person you need to hear. It is about breaking free from something. It is about whatever was a cover-up but pretend zone or lie or layers, those are going to come out. It's also believing what you exactly want and you believe in and you want. You also have simply love. For some cases, this is going to be resurgence. Six of Cups energy. Resurgence. Like someone from the past coming in the form of new picture. They are more mature, means they are more understanding. And yes, a mature, stability. They know what they want. Someone is coming with their full love, simply love, you know, their journal. They want to give it to you. They have that memory lane of you. They remember everything. If this is this case, they're going to remove that, you know, whatever was wrong, whatever was not done right. If you want it back, if you want to make it work, go ahead. Some of you are moving on. It's just, okay, fine, we understand, but it's simply love. Okay, fine, I'm clear. Some of you are going to have the U-turn, because I said the crow is taking the U-turn. So moving on with the person possible. Walking, okay. the pathway that is still there, the footprints, those are still there, and the person is making that use to come back. Some of you might be dealing with the one who is having child, one specific. Yeah, possible. Now take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.